It's amazing. Look at that.
Oh, that's really hard to see, but I can see the heart.
And then there's the heart.
See it? I can see
Oh, yeah. Is it facing us?
it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's the heart. Oh,
Look at
there's your baby, Matt. This is what you did to Darcy.
So when we look, flip the image a little,
Uh-huh.
Through the feet.
there's only one in there.
Oh, good.
There's the heart.
Oh, I can see the heart.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's beating nicely. So if we freeze it and then just measure him
Uh-huh.
and her,
It's going to be a boy.
I think it's gonna be.
11 weeks, and it measures a little over 4 centimeters.
Does it look okay to you?
Perfect.
Okay.
Here you go, photograph.
Wow. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's amazing. It looks so much like a little person compared to last time. Wow.
And there's the heart again.
Oh. So how big would you say it is?
Almost 4 centimeters.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's about big. Cut out.
Thank you.
We lost Pat.
I have no idea where he went. His lost.
And go ahead, scoot back.
Thank you.